Hello and welcome to this lecture. In previous lecture, we talked about how different languages like Python code or Java or SQL or R can interact with Spark. It is possible to start a Spark session from a Python application. So the combination of Python, this is Python programming, plus Spark has introduced something called PySpark. And because of these possibilities of combining Python with Spark has brought in a lot of possibilities. There are things like you can write Python data frame and integrate it with Spark called PySpark data frame. If you have worked in Python before and if you have used Python for data analysis, you must have used pandas. So pandas data frame is very handy in Python. The same kind of features, the same kind of pandas data frame features you can use in Spark, and it is called PySpark data frame. So that is what became possible because of combination of Python plus Spark, the PySpark. And that's just one of the new possibilities which happened with this combination. The next one is PySpark SQL. Using Python, you can run SQL commands on Spark cluster, and that's called PySpark SQL. Using Python, you can run machine learning libraries, machine learning algorithms like k-means and other such algorithms. Readily available Python machine learning libraries can be run on Spark cluster. So that is the next set of possibilities. And of course, you can also run the graphs. You can have graph processing libraries which are available in Python. Those can be run on Spark data frame. And next and very important is streaming. A real life data streaming can be done out of Spark cluster. Those are the possibilities which have become reality because of this combination of Python and Spark, PySpark. And in this course, you are going to focus mostly on PySpark. You are going to explore each of these features. Awesome. I will see you in next lecture, wherein you are going to work with PySpark data frame on Databricks Spark cluster. I will see you there.